Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pair of cookies and cream cat squishies. Now let's get into the video. First, trace a circle on your density foam using an object you have around the house. After that, cut the foam and then round it out as if it were a sugar cookie. So here's what mine looked like when I was done, and then apply black paint to the squishy. Once the second layer of the black paint has dried, go ahead and add a face, and here I'm just adding little ears, the eyes, the nose, the whiskers, and the mouth, and then I'm also adding a little bit of blush. And here's what that looked like when it was dried. And now for the white cat, repeat the same steps about rounding out the shape, and shape the squishy the same as you did for the black squishy. Then apply white paint to the squishy. And here I'm adding the face, and it's going to be the same face I did for the black cat, except this time I'm going to use black paint instead of white. I also messed up on the whiskers, but then I fixed that later. So here's the final result of them. I hope you guys like this video. This was my first time doing kind of like a pair of squishies that were kind of the opposite color like this. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and comment down below what you want me to do next. Bye!